I'm so happy to have you back here again at this time. So without wasting time, a lot of persons reached out to me on Facebook, some of my friends on Facebook, and some people here requested that I make a video on how you can get rid of your dry skin naturally. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get rid of dry skin naturally. Of course, in this channel we preach the gospel of nature, so mostly all the skincare we do here, skincare routines, skincare remedy, are always natural. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you just 2 recipes that you need for this dry skin remover or how to get rid of dry skin. Just 2 simple remedies, 2 simple ingredients that you need, and those ingredients are cinnamon powder. I don't know if you can see this, they even had to prepare it for me when I went to buy it. So this is cinnamon powder. Should I do like this? I don't know if you guys can see. So this is cinnamon powder, and these are the benefits of cinnamon powder. So another ingredient that we are going to be using is honey, original honey. You can see that, the benefits of honey. I'm also going to place these benefits on the description box. Alright, so what do we need for this honey and cinnamon powder mixture? What do we need for this recipe? The only thing we need is just the honey that I said, the cinnamon powder, the plate, and then of course the measuring spoons that we are going to use. I am into production when it comes to, I make black soap and all that. I will show you a video of the black soap, lightning black soap that I made. So we don't joke with measurements. We take measurement very, very seriously, because whatever you are going to do, you are going to be sure that you have the right measurements so that your product will come out very well. So without wasting time, what we need for this is, so what we are going to be needing is ½ tablespoon of cinnamon powder and 2 tablespoons of honey. So watch me as I do this. So this is the ½ tablespoon. So this is the half spoon of cinnamon powder, and then the next thing that we are going to be using is 2 tablespoons of honey. This is the honey. You pour the honey that you measured into the same plate that you pour your cinnamon powder. So this is the second spoon. And I'm going to mix it very well. Mix very well. Guys, I'm trying to mix it. So guys, this is the end product of the mixture. This is the end product. So how to apply? If you want to apply, rub the mixture on the already affected area. If you have dry face, you rub it on your face. If you have dry skin on your hands, you rub it on your hands. If it's on your leg, you rub it on your leg, right? So please, I will have to also let you know that if you are going to be rubbing this on your face, just leave it for approximately a minute. Just 1 minute, you wash it off, because the cinnamon powder will make your face to feel hot, and you may not, your face may react to it. So you just have to leave it just for minutes, and then you wash it off. But if you're using it on your leg or on your hand, you can leave it for approximately 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, and then you wash off with so you wash it off with room temperature water, or you just use lukewarm water to wash it off. So how to apply? This is the mixture. You rub it on the affected area that you want. You see what I'm doing? You massage it. Rub it on that affected area. When you are done rubbing it on the affected area, just like this, you leave it for approximately 10 to 20 minutes. That if you rub it on your hand or legs. But if not, please do well to, if you're rubbing it on your face, please just leave it for approximately a minute. Please note that when you use this, you may feel hot, or your skin may feel irritated for some time. After some minutes, it will cool down. The hotness will calm or cool. Alright, so this is just what you need for this. So when you try this and it works for you, please come back to the YouTube channel, come back to the comment section and drop your comments and let us know how many days it took you or weeks for you to get your skin back to normal. Right, so you can just do this for 4 times in a week, 3 times in a week, or 2 times in a week. You do it 2 to 4 times in a week, depending on how chanced you are or how free you are. 2 to 4 times in a week, and when you are done with the 2 to 4 times in a week, watch and know if you are getting your desired result. If you have gotten your desired result, you can leave it. But if you have not, if you are yet to get to your desired result, please continue until you get to your desired result. So thank you very much for watching this video. If today is your first time seeing this channel, coming across this video, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Yes, share this video too. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to share to people, because I know that there are so many people out there that want to know how to get rid of dry skin. So please do well to share to your friends and tell them about this channel. Let's keep growing. All right, thank you very much. Remember, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and I can't do this on my own. I need you guys, I need your support to get to this 1,000 subscribers. So thank you very much for watching. Till we see you next time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.